Hello there, and welcome back to our channel, Natural Remedies. Today we're looking closer into a topic that might make you rethink your next grocery shopping trip. We're talking about corn oil, an ingredient you probably have in your kitchen right now, unbeknownst to you. But did you know that there are 4 surprising health risks of corn oil that you need to know? Stick around as we uncover these hidden dangers and reveal the common foods where corn oil might be lurking. Number 1. High in omega-6 fatty acids. Corn oil is packed with omega-6 fatty acids, which can be problematic when consumed in excess. While our bodies do need some omega-6s, too much can lead to inflammation, which is a major factor in many chronic diseases, like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. And guess what? Corn oil is found in a lot of processed foods, like crisps, cereals, margarine, gravy granules, ketchup, and even some baked goods that are labeled as healthy. These snacks might taste great, but the hidden corn oil can quickly increase your intake of these inflammatory fats. Number 2. Potential for harmful trans fats. Even though corn oil isn't a trans fat, the high heat used in processing or frying with corn oil can actually create trans fats. These fats are extremely harmful, raising bad cholesterol, commonly referred to as LDL, and lowering good cholesterol, commonly known as HDL. Trans fats have been linked to a higher risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Deep-fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and even some store-bought fried snacks are often cooked in corn oil. Number 3. Chemical residues from processing. Corn oil is usually extracted using chemical solvents like hexane, which can leave behind harmful residues with consequential side effects. Over time, consuming these chemicals can pose risks to your liver and kidneys. Many salad dressings, mayonnaise, and marinades contain corn oil, making these seemingly healthy foods not so healthy after all. Next time you're grabbing that bottle of salad dressing, check the ingredients. Corn oil could be a sneaky addition. Number 4. Often genetically modified. A large percentage of the corn used for corn oil is genetically modified, which raises concerns about potential long-term health effects. While the debate on GMOs rumbles on, many prefer to avoid them altogether. Corn oil is commonly found in margarine, popcorn, and even in some sauces. Always look for non-GMO labels. If you want to avoid genetically modified ingredients, they have to be written on the labels by law. Food manufacturers choose to make the ingredient writing on these labels incredibly small, so be sure to take your time when shopping for your families. I can't stress enough the need to read your food labels. It's always a good idea to know what you're putting into your body or your children's meals. So there you have it, 4 surprising health risks of corn oil you need to know. Corn oil might be a staple in many kitchens, but with these hidden dangers, it might be time to switch to healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. Want to stay informed on what's best for your health? Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and recipes. Thank you for watching, and remember, a healthy choice today leads to a healthier tomorrow.